Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're checking this integral. We have the integral of 1 over x times root of x dx. Okay, the best recommendation when we have a case of two variables being multiplied on the denominator is to combine those. Okay, let's remember a rule here to the right. We know that a to the n times a to the m is equals to a to the n plus m. When we have the same base, we will add the exponents. So we'll have the integral of 1 over x times x to the 1/2 dx. Friendly reminder, our root of x is equivalent to x to the 1/2. Okay, so we're going to add the exponents. We're going to have 1 over, we don't see, but there's a 1 in there. That's x to the 1. And 1 times 1 plus 1/2, it will be x to the 3/2 dx. Okay, what can we do next? Let's remember another property that says a to the negative n is 1 over a, which is the reciprocal, and everything elevated to the n. We know that 1 to the n will be 1, and this will be a to the n. Okay, now we're going to see it just backwards. Look at the denominator has the exponent that is positive, so we'll consider this as x to the negative 3/2 dx. And now we know how to integrate this. Okay, we'll use the power rule for integration. This will be x to the negative 3/2. We add 1 and we divide by the same exponent, negative 3/2 plus 1, plus our constant of integration. Negative 3/2 plus 1 is negative 1/2. So we'll have x to the negative 1/2 divided by negative 1/2 plus our constant of integration. And our final answer, we could say that the negative 1/2 gets transformed into negative 2. And x to the negative 1/2 will be 1 over x to the 1/2, which is equivalent to the root of x plus our constant of integration. All right, thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you.